Hi guys, it's me Lofu, and today I'm playing Run. You can see that on the screen here. So today I'm gonna be not just playing Run as usual. I'm gonna be playing a game different than Run too. I'm gonna play. Oh no, I fell! Okay, let's try again. No! Okay, so can I get the hanging of this? It's kind of cool. Yeah, you can play this game on the computer too. Oh no! I'm bad. You can also get this in a site called Math Playground too. Oh no, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Level 2. I'm gonna try and play to level 5 and see if I like it. Whoa. So far, I like it. What's this? Level 3. Tries to make it challenging. Whoa. Whoa. Those platforms can disappear? Huh. 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 Whoa, no. Level 4. Whoa. Whoa. This is fun. Okay, now level 5. Okay. I'm gonna play 10 levels actually. I'm actually enjoying this. Okay, levels. What happened? Whoa. Guys, do not get this app. This is just a hack. But guys, I'm gonna play a different game. I'm actually enjoying this game, but I'm gonna move on to a different game, okay? I'll see you guys in a sec. Sorry. So, hi guys, it's me Lofu again, and you might see here that I'm playing a game called Baldi Basics. So, yeah, I have a friend named Liam, and he played it, and so yeah, I want to play it too. So this is what I had to do. So it looks like this is Baldi. Yeah, I'm gonna see how to play. Go in the menu. Okay, let's see here. Oh no, school is out, but your friend has a problem. He left all of his notebooks at school, but doesn't have time to eat them. Get them, because if he does, if he does, he'll be late for eating practice. What the heck? Eating practice? I don't need you to help him out. You have to go back into school and find the notebooks for him, but it won't be easy. Though Baldi loves challenging with his friends with fun trivia questions, and whenever he can, each notebook you find, you have to answer some questions. Find all. To win. You must find 7 notebooks. Then exit the school. Have fun too, of course. Well, let's have fun by doing it. Start. Story mode, collect 7 notebooks. Endless mode, collect as many notebooks. I'm gonna go with this one. Story mode. I actually look like that Baldi's head is spinning in 3D. That's actually a cool feature. I hope all the characters are in 3D. Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, you have a nice school. What's the? Just a sec. What the heck? The sensitivity. What the? Guys, I'm gonna have to fix the sensitivity. So I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, I am back, And I have changed the sensitivity a bit. It's gonna be crappy though. It's kind of crappy though. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go grab my first notebook right here. Okay. Let's grab this.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Okay.
Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Problem 1. 9.
What? Oh, I put -8. Okay, let's try it again. 11 and then 3. I hear every door you open. Ooh. Sorry guys, I just gulped. What the... Whoa! Baldi's the Flash in this game. Baldi is the Flash in this game. Okay, I don't even like this game. This one's terrible. This one's terrible. I'm gonna go to the next game, guys. Hi guys, it's me, Lofu, and here's the next game. It's still Baldi, but yeah. So this is the camping version of Baldi. So yeah. Let's go here. Wait, what did he say? I didn't hear that. Wait. Let's go. Wait, I didn't hear what he said. Wait, I have to turn up the volume. Let's go up here.
Let's go camping.
I don't want to go camping with you. You're pretty scary, but so fine, I'll go camping with you. Come on, let's go. What happened?
All right.
Oh, I'm not camping right now. We're at the campsite. Ugh. Why do I have an ad right now? Skip. Okay, back to the game.
Set. I'll go set up the bear trap.
Okay.
I want you to keep the fire going. Go out to the woods and collect firewood. Then bring it back to refuel the fire. The bigger the fire is, the more points you'll earn. All right, go for it.
Okay, we have to grab some sticks and put it to the fire. Okay. Hey, how do I collect sticks? How do I collect the sticks? Okay, I have 1 stick. I gotta make it to the fire. It's gonna die! Oh no. Ah boy. Oh no. The fire! Oh no. What happens when the fire dies? What's gonna happen? What's that? What's that? What's that noise? What's that noise? Creeps me out. Wait, is that Baldi? Ah, crud. Wait, is this guy? Who's that? Wait, did I see Baldi? Crud. Where's Baldi? Did I just see him? Okay. Oh, Baldi's right there. Uh-oh, he's slapping that ruler. It's getting closer to me. Oh no. He's right behind me. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Ah! I got caught! Oh. Oh. Okay, that was terrible. Okay, I'm gonna go to the last. I'm gonna play the last game, you guys. Just a sec. Okay, guys, this is the last Baldi game. I mean, this is the last game I'm gonna play, and it's called Baldi stoneage.
Baldi Basics of Education and Learning. That's me.
So this is a mod. So this is actually a mod. This is a mod.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Thank you for welcoming me to here. Okay, so the sensitivity is actually good. It's not like unlike the other games.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the
The
three
music is
questions
actually good.
correctly, and
Okay,
you
that's
get something. You're doing fantastic.
and then that's
Problem
4,
2. You're doing
and
fantastic.
then 6.
Problem 3. You're doing
Yeah.
fantastic. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
Okay.
Just
Where is
click
it?
on it with the left mouse button to pick it up.
It's not even a shiny quarter.
When you find something
That's
you
a
can use
rock.
it on, right-click on the
This-
object with the quarter.
Okay, blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Okay, this is the second notebook. Let's do this.
Now it's time for everybody's
Okay,
favorite
this is
subject.
10.
Answer the three. You're doing fantastic.
This is
Problem 2.
17.
Good one.
What?
Problem 3. Plus.
Skip this answer.
Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Uh-oh. I don't want to play with you. Whoever you are. No, 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 no. Oh no. Baldi's right there. He has a bat with him. Scat here. Can you stop saying, I want to play with someone? That's like a weird. No, 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 no!
Looks like it's sweeping time. No running in the halls.
Oh no, oh no. No, no, no! Well, detention.
For you.
You have detention. 13 seconds remain. Baldi is pretty slow in this game, so I probably have an advantage. No, 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 no.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Well, I do not care. Well, I do not care. Okay, have a bee soda. And yeah. So guys, I actually like this one. I actually want to beat this game, you guys. Okay, Ed, let's use this. Use. Wait, can I use this? Use. Energy flavored zesty bar. That's not even a zesty bar. I mean, whatever. No, I got caught by Baldi. So, yeah, guys, that's all the time I have for today. So, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and to support it with everything you got.
That's me.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna play this one tomorrow. I actually like this one. Unlike the other ones, I'm gonna actually play Run 2. I'm gonna actually play the game Run 2. I actually like that game, so yeah. Support this channel with everything you got. Comment down below what I should play next. I'm gonna try and beat this game. So yeah. I'll try my best. Okay. So, in the meantime, stay tuned. See you later.